Saturn's rings are a breathtaking sight. These magnificent rings, composed of countless particles of ice and rock, create a dazzling display that has fascinated humanity for generations. They are a cosmic masterpiece, a natural wonder that stands as one of the most iconic features in our solar system. These shimmering bands have captivated astronomers for centuries. From the early observations by Galileo to the detailed studies by modern spacecraft, Saturn's rings have always been a source of intrigue and wonder. The rings are a testament to the universe's grandeur and mystery. They remind us of the vastness of space and the many secrets it holds. Imagine gazing up at the night sky and seeing a planet adorned with such ethereal beauty. It's a sight that can inspire awe and wonder in anyone who beholds it. For many, Saturn's rings are a symbol of the wonders of space. They represent the endless possibilities and the boundless curiosity that drives us to explore the cosmos. They ignite our curiosity and inspire us to explore the unknown. The study of these rings has led to numerous discoveries about the nature of our solar system. These rings are not just beautiful, they are a scientific treasure trove. Each particle within the rings holds valuable information about the history and evolution of our solar system. They hold clues to the formation of our solar system and the forces that shape planets. By studying Saturn's rings, scientists can gain insights into the processes that govern planetary formation and dynamics. How did these majestic rings form? What cosmic events led to the creation of such a stunning and intricate structure around Saturn? Astronomers have pondered this question for generations. The mystery of Saturn's rings has captivated the minds of scientists and stargazers alike. There are several compelling theories. Each one offers a different perspective on how these rings might have come into existence. One theory suggests a moon got too close to Saturn. This moon, once orbiting peacefully, ventured too near the planet. The immense gravity ripped it apart. Saturn's powerful gravitational forces tore the moon into countless fragments. This cosmic cataclysm created a cloud of debris. The remnants of the moon scattered, forming a vast cloud of particles. This debris eventually coalesced into the rings we see today. Over time, these particles came together, creating the beautiful rings that encircle Saturn. Another theory proposes a colossal collision. Imagine a dramatic event where two large celestial bodies collide. Imagine two icy moons orbiting Saturn. These moons, made mostly of ice, were on a collision course. Their paths crossed, resulting in a catastrophic impact. The collision shattered both moons into countless pieces. The shattered remnants of these moons spread out around the planet. The debris from this impact began to orbit Saturn. Over time, they flattened into a disk, forming the rings. The debris gradually settled into a flat, ring-like structure. A third theory suggests the rings are remnants from Saturn's formation. This idea takes us back to the very birth of the planet. Billions of years ago, the young Saturn was surrounded by a disk of gas and dust. This primordial disk was a chaotic mix of materials. The rings could be leftover material from this primordial disk, preserved for eons. These ancient particles have remained in orbit, forming the rings we marvel at today. Determining the age of Saturn's rings is a cosmic puzzle. Some scientists believe the rings are relatively young, perhaps only a few 100 million years old. Evidence for this comes from the rings' brightness. They are composed primarily of ice, which reflects sunlight very well. Over time, space dust would darken the rings. If they were billions of years old, they would appear much duller. However, other scientists argue the rings are ancient, as old as Saturn itself. They propose that processes like micrometeoroid bombardment could replenish the ice, keeping the rings bright. Section 4. Ring rain, the inevitable demise. As much as we marvel at Saturn's rings, they will not last forever. Saturn's gravity is pulling in particles from the rings. This phenomenon is known as ring rain. Imagine a constant drizzle of icy particles falling from the rings onto Saturn. This ring rain is slowly depleting the ring's mass. Scientists estimate that the rings could disappear in about 100 million years. While this may seem like a long time, it's a blink of an eye in cosmic terms. Section 5. Unraveling the universe's secrets. Saturn's rings offer a glimpse into the dynamic nature of our solar system. These rings, composed of countless particles of ice and rock, are a testament to the complex and ever-changing environment of space. They remind us that the universe is constantly evolving. The particles within the rings collide and clump together, creating a mesmerizing dance that has been ongoing for millions of years. What we observe today is a snapshot in a much grander cosmic narrative. The rings we see now may look entirely different in the distant future, as they are shaped by gravitational forces and other cosmic events. By studying these rings, we gain insights into planetary formation, gravity's power, and the passage of time on a celestial scale. Scientists analyze data from space probes and telescopes to understand the origins and evolution of these rings. The more we learn about Saturn's rings, the more we realize how much more there is to discover. Each new piece of information adds to our understanding and raises new questions about the universe. As we continue to explore our solar system and beyond, we are sure to uncover even more wonders that will captivate our imaginations and deepen our understanding of the universe. The journey of discovery is endless, and each step brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos.